Joshua and Caleb came back and said, hey, we have a God that's bigger than the city. Yes, they're scary. Yes, they may have all these weapons, but our God is bigger. Our God is greater. And when the rest of them were saying, no, we can't do it, when the rest of them said, it's not possible, they came back and said, with God, it is possible. They believe the report of the Lord. And so I think we need to just go out celebrating our God tonight.
You made a way, you delivered me from my